Okay, so this is gonna be like my third or fourth update video on this. I need to post, but I've been slacking. Putting it back to stock. I've got to go and train in California for a month, so I'll be gone. When I come back, more than likely be snowing. And don't want to run this shit in the snow, but look at that. That's nice. That poor bolt in this gas tank. Jeez. I feel like I have a leak right here maybe, or something's just on it, I don't know. But yeah, that's pretty bad. I'm gonna do the back first, put it back to stock, and then go to the front. But yeah, hopefully next summer I can put 17s on this and be lower instead of on 18s with 225s. The tires are just too big. I know if I go with 17s I'll be lower, like a 215 35. That'll be nice.